Hi, this is the setup and installation video for your axle adapter for your AVS to allow for you to attach your hanger pouches and similar style pouches like the Spiritus Lunchbox, the Haley hanger, Ferro danglers, and the Spiritus sack. So step one is you're going to get your AVS, and this product is made only for the AVS, and you're going to remove your plate. So take your plate out of your AVS front plate pouch and flip it onto its back. Helps if you remove your gloves. And you're going to get your adapter. And step one is going to be, you're going to take these two carbon fiber looking tabs with snaps in them, and you're going to slide them through these two MOLLE webbing attachment points here. No tools are really involved for being able to do this. You can do all this with your hands. And then the next step is you take these snaps and you just snap everything in just like you would a MOLLE pouch. So after you slide everything through, then you take the snaps and you'll hear that click. And then once everything's snapped in there, you're good to go. And then what you'll do is just peel this guy up. And then you'll take your, like the Spiritus Lunchbox, and just Velcro it in. And then fold the Velcro back. Now this is designed to fit as a hanger style pouch just like this Lunchbox and smaller. And you'll see this is how it looks after you've had it installed properly. And now what you've done is you've transferred the pouch where it's supposed to be designed to as close to your body as possible, instead of having to, on the AVS, attach it to the front where it's just all flopping around. So this is going to be closer to your body. It's going to be riding the way that it was designed to ride. And it'll help with keeping this and mitigating it just swinging around as much as it would if you Velcro to the front. And this works with like Haley style hangers, Ferro danglers again, and the Spiritus sack, and a whole bunch of other pouches that are out there that you can just Velcro onto this guy. It also does not interfere with your AVS harness. That's the way we designed it. So you can still use your full AVS harness into here, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, please call or email us, support@axleadvance.com, or you can call us at 972-265-9711. Thank you so much.